Despite being damaged and sparking along the road, the red car continued to speed away, desperately fleeing from the pursuing police. Arkansas State Police coordinated with Texarkana Police in a pursuit of a stolen vehicle. The chase reached speeds of nearly 95 miles per hour on Interstate 30 and ended when the vehicle overturned after losing control. The driver, a 17-year-old, was arrested and is now facing several serious charges, including first-degree murder and theft. A group of motorcyclists performed dangerous stunts on the streets and highways, catching the attention of the police. Two motorcycle officers chased the group as they did wheelies and rode against oncoming traffic. The chase went on for a while, but in the end, the police decided to give up because pursuing the bikers for minor traffic violations wasn't worth the risk to public safety. A black car driven by a criminal was fleeing from the police, speeding and weaving through traffic, disregarding all traffic laws. The entire chase was captured from above, with police closely pursuing him. Suddenly, upon reaching a parking lot, the suspect abandoned his car, stole a civilian's vehicle, and continued his escape. However, shortly after, at another parking lot, the police surrounded his car. The suspect tried to flee on foot, but a police dog quickly caught up with him and apprehended him.
Look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this, look at this.
A motorcyclist was arrested after performing dangerous stunts and being pursued by the California Highway Patrol at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The chase lasted for some time, but in the end, the police successfully subdued and arrested the rider.
Anders lit it up at Flyers Mill.
Footage from the Montgomery County Police Department pursuit on December 13, 2023. In the evening, a white Nissan was attempting to block traffic on the road and in Park Court. The police quickly pursued, with the car weaving through traffic and fleeing despite the pursuit.
And a left on the front.
14 on me behind him.
Yeah, I think you know that. Left on the wrong way of University, and then we're back on the right way. Hey, the slow get funny, the car is messing up.
After some time, the vehicle collided and was forced to stop, suffering significant damage. The suspect was immediately surrounded and subdued by the police.
Johnny, please, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hey, get back, 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 get back.
What's your shape there? Oh, just guys, no.
Move out. Watch my hands. Moving up.
Hey, put your hands up! Hands up!
Hands up, keep your hands up. I'm hands on.
Hands up, hands on, I'm hands on.
Nothing can stop this reckless guy. Fallen down, but still not giving up. The pursuit in Ponca City ended when the car crashed into a field, and the driver was arrested.
Start fire, no HP, start on fire. Show me your hands! Show me your f***ing hands! You know what? Get on my... Get this like that.
The car caught fire, and the police quickly handcuffed the driver. Officers searched the driver for evidence before transporting him to the station. While on patrol, officers noticed two motorcycles speeding north. As they tried to stop the riders, one male and one female, the motorcyclists ignored the flashing lights and ran a red light, triggering a high-speed chase. Both motorcycles fled at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, showing no regard for public safety. They weaved through traffic, running multiple red lights as officers struggled to keep up. The two suspects eventually split up, and police focused on the female rider, later identified as Daniela Montoya. Montoya drove recklessly, darting between vehicles and driving on the wrong side of the road, nearly causing several head-on collisions.
Alright, we are approaching the partner right now.
In a final act of desperation, she swerved to avoid the police, but crashed into a patrol car, causing her to fall from the motorcycle. Montoya was arrested at the scene and taken to the hospital for medical care, bringing an end to the dangerous pursuit.
In Craighead County, a stolen vehicle was reported speeding down the highway, prompting an immediate response from local police. As the 3 patrol cars closed in, the suspect noticed the pursuit and bolted, igniting a high-speed chase. The suspect maneuvered aggressively, narrowly dodging both other vehicles and the pursuing police cars. With the chase intensifying, the suspect's erratic driving made it difficult for officers to close in, as the vehicle swerved and sped through traffic. Visibility issues due to dust and smoke further complicated the pursuit. The police maintained a strategic approach, coordinating their efforts to box in the suspect.
They're on pavement again. I don't have dust cloud to follow.
Their patience paid off as they finally managed to corner the vehicle on a narrow road.
Can you see that? Okay.
The chase ended with the suspect facing serious consequences. The high-speed pursuit highlighted the dangers of fleeing from law enforcement and the skill required by police to handle such dangerous situations.
On May 18, 2024, Deputy Larson was patrolling Sunset Harbor Road in Summerfield, Florida, when he noticed a sedan with a trailer but no tag. The driver, Charles Williams, sped through a stop sign and fled. After a short chase, Williams jumped from his moving vehicle and ran. Deputy Larson used a taser to subdue him when he refused to stop.
Please stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
That shit hurt, man.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
What started as a typical day quickly escalated into a high-speed chase across McLeod. Though it's unclear where the pursuit began, one thing is certain. This driver was determined to flee. Speeding westbound on Interstate 40, the chase intensified as they raced through Midwest City, nearing Reno and Douglas. The pursuit took a dramatic turn when the Oklahoma Highway Patrol stepped in. Using a precision immobilization technique, or pit maneuver, they sent the suspect's truck careening into a barrier. But that wasn't the end. The driver wasn't giving up just yet and somehow managed to keep going, pushing the vehicle forward. In the end, it was all over. 2 suspects were apprehended, and the dangerous chase was brought to a halt. Thank you for always accompanying us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos about the brave actions of the police force in maintaining law and order. Wishing everyone safe driving and see you again.